In this video, I'm going to show you how to bet second half goals in 888 stars. I guess subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional 888 stars account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option that says by email, fill in all your details correctly and create a password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code RenzoTV. If you use the promo code, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you want to bet on second half goals or second half most goals, here's what to do. The first is to choose the event and go over to the event here. Then you're going to see option here that says first half and second half. So go ahead and choose your second half, and then you scroll down to where you have total. This total here is referring to the number of goals in that second half. So then you can choose over 0.5, which means you're going to have more than one goal in the second half. So you can choose, there are many options. There's even an option for over 5.5, which means there are going to be more than 5 goals in the second half. So just choose any event that you're okay with here and place your bet. And that's how to bet second half most goals on 888 stars.